If you're planning to buy a 3D printer in 2026, choosing the right one can be pretty confusing because there are so many great options available. In this video, we're counting down the top 9 best 3D printers in 2026 based on performance, features, reliability, and value for money. In part 1, we'll cover printers ranked number 9 to number 6, some solid machines that are great for beginners and enthusiasts. So let's get started with number 9. Number 9. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2 Combo might not be the only multicolor 3D printer out there, but considering the low cost, it's easily a standout in the market right now. This Core XY machine is an upgrade on the original single-filament Centauri Carbon, adding in multi-filament and an integrated canvas system that pushes those colored filaments through a single nozzle head. During my tests, I was immediately impressed with the high quality of the models I printed. See the gallery above for examples. They far surpassed my expectations considering the relatively low cost of the 3D printer. In fact, they were exceptionally good, accurate, and with clean lines to the models. Another aspect that I really liked is that the Centauri Carbon 2 works with both standard PLA and engineering materials, making it a very versatile budget 3D printer for small businesses. One word of warning. Because this is a fully enclosed device, filaments are exposed unlike more expensive machines. And in my review, I spotted very fine filament hairs on the multicolored prints as a result of the changing temperature and humidity. Once I moved to a more stable environment and replaced the filament, these hairs disappeared. So be aware if your workshop or studio is prone to these drops and rises. My advice is to make sure you keep your filament in excellent condition at all times. Overall, it's a minor issue that's easily rectified and understandable for a reasonably priced multicolor 3D printer that lets you print usable colored parts without breaking the bank. Number 8. Creality Harlot Mage S14K. Through the test of the Creality Harlot Mage S14K, as with the 8K version before it, impressed. Setup and use were easy enough despite the usual mess that comes with using a resin print. Although with the flip lid design and quick release build platform and resin tank, it goes some way to making life a little easier. While I found the basics of using the machine straightforward, there is, as ever, the usual cleanup process that requires both wash and cure. While Creality has pared back this machine, so there's no autofill feature, the refinements to the resin tank have made the overall use that much easier. This machine really excels in terms of the quality of the prints, and at 14K, it's one of the highest resolution printers out there. Sure enough, as the prints emerged, it was possible to see the detail, and after washing, breaking away the support structures and then curing, I saw some of the highest quality prints from this level of 3D printer. Along with the print quality, I like the platform size, which is about mid-range size for this type of printer and essentially makes the quantity of resin in the tank manageable when it comes to the cleanup. I found the quality of the prints from this relatively inexpensive resin printer exceptional, which makes it my choice as the best 3D printer for miniatures. Number 7. The original Prusa XL takes 3D printing to another level both in features and scale. This is one of the largest 3D printers that I have looked at and utilizes the latest Core XY mechanics that have been coupled with Prusa's latest innovations. This machine has been designed as a modular and can adapt and change as you and your business need, from a single filament machine to a multi-filament with 4 tool heads. However, where it differs from everything else is that it features a multi-tool changer head, which cuts out the need for filaments to be loaded and unloaded during printing. Instead, the head quickly swaps automatically, dramatically cutting down print times when multi-filament printing. In use, the XL impressed me from the outset with the speed of the changes, enabling the printing of prototype interaction in multiple different materials quickly. This machine is rarely out of action in the workshop and complements the smaller MK4S, which is utilized for speed and single filament prints. In use, the design feels far more akin to professional workshop machinery than a desktop printer, making it an ideal option for all precision engineering. Number 6. The Qidi Plus 4 is a great machine when precision matters most, and you don't need multi-filament printing. The fully enclosed Core XY frame, heated chamber, and hardened 370 degrees Celsius hot end offer plenty of material flexibility, and the Plus 4 proved to consistently deliver exceptionally accurate results, even when going large. Right from the initial point of setup, the Plus 4 feels built for purpose. It features a solid frame with a large build area, 305 by 305 by 280 mm, giving you plenty of room for larger prototypes or multi-part prints. With a heated chamber and high-temp hot end, it handles technical filaments well, including ABS, ASA, polycarbonate, and advanced engineering materials, without warping. Throughout my tests, it was the Plus 4's print precision that was the machine's core strength. In real-world projects, fine detailed parts come out clean and with fine detail. Dimensional accuracy was excellent, and this was shown with the brackets that we printed during the initial testing, as well as in the main benchmarking tests. This accuracy makes the Plus 4 a great option for prototyping, engineering models, and small batch production where parts must fit and function accurately together. The workflow is also business-ready with solid and user-friendly slicer software, which whilst not as aesthetically designed as some is still impressive and intuitive. The touchscreen user interface, robust slicing options, and filament sensors prove that errors were few and far between, with most initiated through user error rather than by the machine or mechanics. Of course, high precision comes with trade-offs. It's pricier than hobbyist models, and while this is justified by its feature set and consistency, it is a heavy machine, so not one that you would want to move once in position. Unlike some of the more consumer-level machines, the initial calibration does require care, and maintenance, such as chamber cleaning or module replacement, is more involved than on those simpler printers. Despite this, the Cheetah Plus 4's precision and build quality are reflected in the quality of the prints. If precision is key to your use of a 3D printer, then this is a solid investment. So those were the best 3D printers ranked from number 9 to number 6. But the list isn't over yet. The top 5 printers are coming next, and these machines take performance, speed, and features to the next level. Make sure to check out part 2, where we reveal the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. I'll see you in part 2.